Alright guys, this is my Case 590 Super L backhoe. It's an Ertl 1/64 scale. Everything works good, and loader goes down good and everything. All these work. I really do like the cab on these. They're pretty much detailed inside. It's detailed pretty good. Got all the case decals on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm thinking about maybe taking the stack off of it it's got on there now and putting a chrome pipe on there. But if anybody thinks I should put a chrome pipe on there, let me know and I'll do it. I got a bunch of old semis I'll take the stacks off of. I like the tires and wheels are good. Well, the tires are better. The wheels, they're alright, but the tires are pretty good. It's got a little 4x4 decal on the bottom. But anyway, this is just a short little review of the 590 Super L Case backhoe, and I'm going to make another video of my John Deere backhoe I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and review of the John Deere backhoe coming up. See y'all later. Alright guys, this is part 2. This is the John Deere 310SE Turbo 4x4 backhoe. I like this one better than the Case. I think it's more detailed. It's got, well, kind of, I guess, cab lights on there. I think it's just stickers though. And the cab's got a couple little John Deere stickers on it, and I think this one would look better with a chrome pipe on it than the Case. But if you guys want to, let me know and I'll put a chrome pipe on both of them. But I think this one would look better. Put them both together. But this one, I like the tires. They're just about the same as the Case, and the wheels are about the same as the Case. But this is just another short review. There ain't really much to talk about on them. I like these particular models, both of these backhoes. I think all the ones Ertl made that are like these were cool looking. Only this one, it's been played with. The back, it's kind of loose. But other than that, everything works on it good too. So, but anyway, this is just a short little review of the 590 Super L Case backhoe and 310SE John Deere backhoe. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see y'all later.